My name is Alif, and I am currently the Area P3 Director. It gives me a great privilege and very happy to install the new officers for Advanced Ardent Speakers Toastmasters Club for the term 2022 and 2023. Before I start this installation, I would like to congratulate past term ESCO members led by our charter president Sasi Kumar, who is taking on the role of treasurer this term. I would like to congratulate you for such a good job, you all for such a good job for making Advanced Ardent Speakers the club that it is today and achieving 10 out of 10 of President distinguished club goals for your term. Let's give them a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for such a good job for their work. You have done well, Sasi, and you all club members, also VPE Don. And it is my duty to declare that you are hereby discharged from all further duties as president. You can sign a brief of relief, even though it's already a month. And as club officers for Advanced Ardent Speakers Toastmasters Club. Thank you. And you're already sitting down, so you don't have to sit down anymore. I am also now honored to install the new club officers for Advanced Ardent Speakers Toastmasters Club for the term 2022-2023. They have been specially elected by their fellow members in the AGM last month and have been extracted with the personal growth of all the members for Advanced Ardent Speakers Toastmasters Club for 12 months starting from July. The challenge is immense, and I believe that they all are experienced ESCO members and they have prepared to bring Advanced Ardent Speakers Toastmaster Club to a whole new level for the term 2022-2023. I may now invite the elected club officers for this term to on their videos, starting with our SAA, Distinguished Toastmaster Chong Min Po, our Treasurer, Distinguished Toastmaster Sasi Kumar, our Treasurer Sasi, our Secretary, Distinguished Toastmaster Don Chiu, our Vice President Public Relations, future Distinguished Toastmaster Helena, and Vice President of Membership, future also Distinguished Toastmaster Ang Beng Kwan, and also immediate past Area Director, Vice President of Education, future Distinguished Toastmaster Vicky, and finally our President Distinguished Toastmaster Patricia Yap. I will call each and every officer, and they shall step forward and they shall be spotlighted when their name is called, as I briefly outline their rules and responsibilities. Sergeant at Arms Chong Min Po, please. You are not holding the rep. Please spotlight Chong Min Po and raise your right hand. As Sergeant at Arms, you are in charge of the safekeeping of the club property as well as ensuring the meeting location. The Zoom meeting is online and well regulated. Will you perform these duties to the best of your abilities?
Yes, I do.
Is there enough power in there? Do you think so?
Yes.
Okay.
No. Some more. More power.
Yes, I am, and I do.
All right. Thank you, Minpo. I think that's enough energy already.
Good. Let's take a photo here. We have
Alright.
Sukwa to highlight, spotlight Alif and Minpo.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Thank you.
Thank you, photographer.
Yes,
Thank
I
you,
will.
Distinguished Master Sukwa. Next, our treasurer, Sasi Kumar. Sasi Kumar, as the treasurer of this club, can you highlight Sasi, please? Minpo. already installed. As the treasurer of this club, you are responsible and accountable for the club funds, budgeting, and renewals of membership dues. Will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, sir, I will.
All right. Is that enough? Everyone from our immediate past president, Patricia, is that enough?
Enough
Uh,
lah. Happy.
All right, thank you. Next, our secretary, Don Chu. Also the admin manager
Hold
for.
on here. We got to spotlight Sasi and yourself. Take a photo. Sorry.
All right, sorry, Don.
Taken already.
Oh, taken.
Okay.
Good.
Yeah.
Admin manager and also secretary of Advanced Ardent Speakers, Don Chu. As the secretary, will raise up your right hand? As the secretary of this club, you are responsible for all club documentations and timely update to Toastmasters International on club administrative matters. Will you perform these duties to the best of your abilities?
Yes, I will.
Is that enough, everyone? All right, Patricia says yes. I'm yes already.
Thank you.
Have you taken the pictures, Songhua?
Yeah, thank you. Done.
Next, our VPPR, Vice President of Public Relations, Herlina Mustafa. As the Vice President of Public Relations, you are responsible for promoting Toastmasters and the events of the club and protecting the branding of Toastmasters, which is very important. Will you perform these duties to the best of your abilities?
Yes, I will.
Is that okay, Patricia? All right, thank you. Patricia is not giving me the chance to bully Helena. Next is our Vice President of Membership, immediate past area director of P3 also, Ang Beng Kwan. As the Vice President of Membership, you are... Oh, I forgot to ask Sokwa, have you taken the photo?
Yeah, I taken already. If I haven't, I will stop you. No worries.
Okay. As the Vice President of Membership, you are responsible of the club and ensure a healthy club membership strength in terms of numbers. Will you perform these duties to the best of your abilities?
Yes, I will.
I think we need to repeat it one more time because he is the immediate past area director, my predecessor. Will you perform these duties to the best of your abilities, Ang Beng Kwan?
Yes, I will.
All right, thank you, Beng Kwan. Photo ready? Okay. Next, the Vice President of Education, Vicky, also known as Vice President of Everything. Vicky, as the Vice President of Education or Everything, you are responsible for providing and maintaining an education program in which the members develop their communication and leadership well. Will you perform these duties to the best of your abilities?
Yes, I will.
All right, thank you, Vicky. Because she is in the office, I give her a pass. Lastly, our President, Patricia Yap. As the President of Advanced Ardent Speakers Toastmaster Club, you are its Chief Executive Officer and are expected to preside at all club meetings and at regular meetings and special meetings of your ESCOs. It is your challenge to see that this club enables its members to achieve their education goals and that your club help the area, division, district, and Toastmasters International to meet their goals. Please accept the gavel, because it's already there, as a symbol of your leadership and dedication to office. Will you accept this? This gavel is a symbol of the power and authority given to you by the membership of this club. Use it wisely and with restraint. Work as a team with your team members and unite them with your leadership towards a common goal. Will you, as president, accept this challenge and perform your duties as the best of your abilities?
Yes, I will.
Thank you, Patricia. I won't bully you and say to repeat it again. because you already done a lot already this term already. Sukwa? Okay.
Yeah, Patricia done. I need a group photo for all ESCO.
We have one more.
Yeah,
IPP.
okay, sure.
Immediate past President Sasi. I think you are surprised, but I will call you. Can you spotlight Sasi as the advisor for Aztec Advanced Ardent Speakers Club? Will you help Patricia and the current ESCO members in achieving their goals and to lend your very big and huge amount of experience in Toastmasters to help them to achieving their goals and to ensure leadership, to ensure success in this term?
Yes, sir, I will.
All right, thank you. Okay. Now it is my pleasure to declare these Toastmasters in front of you, installed to the respective offices in which they have been elected. Also, can you spotlight all the ESCOs so that we can take a group photo?
EXCO, we are ready to serve. And let's give a love to all our esteemed members. We are so delighted to have the opportunity to serve to all of you. So let's use our emoticon. Send all the love
Okay.
to all the esteemed members.
1, 2, 3. All right, got it.
Thank you. Members.
All right. I was waiting for for everything to calm down first. Not only ESCOs need to pledge their allegiance, to pledge their promise to the club. The members also need to pledge their promise to the club. May I invite all members of Advanced Ardent Speakers to raise their right hand up. I'm also, because I'm a member. The growth and development of the Toastmasters Club in Advanced Ardent Speakers Toastmasters Club depends largely on the actions of us. On your honor as men and women of the Toastmasters International, do you endeavorably and collectively stand by this club, live with it, and work with it throughout the new term of 2022 and 2023? I will.
I
will.
I will.
I will.
I will.
I will.
I will.
I will.
Sokwa, have you taken photo? Because we will show this photo when there's no role players.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. All right, okay, done.
ESCO members, thank you, and that's conclude the installation ceremony today. Fellow Toastmasters and guests, I am proud to present to you the Advanced Ardent Speakers Toastmaster Club ESCO team for the term 2022 and 2023. With that, back to you, President Patricia.
Amazing. Thank you so